How to make Hitler just in your Infinite Craft game on your PC here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again and just start this video without any further delay. So here is our uh, Infinite Craft crafting screen here. What we have to do is we will simply put a starting water block and add two water blocks together to create a lake, and then again we will add a more water block to the lake. It will be an ocean. Then we will add ocean plus earth, that will create an island here, and just add two islands to create a continent. And after creating continent, you will have to add earth again to the continent here. Just add two earths just like this, and it will create a mountain, that is a collision. And just add mountain with your continent, that will create Asia. After that, add Asia continent, that will create Europe. After Europe, you have to again put and drag the earth block here and just add it with the wind block, that will create a dust. Then add dust to the water here to create mud here, that is wet sand. After that, just add fire to it, it will create a brick. Add two bricks, that will create a wall here, and just add wall to your uh, this account, that will create Berlin. You will add two Berlin, that will create Germany. Then you have to create Germany with dust here, that will create Hitler. So here all of you can see that we have already made Hitler in our Infinite Craft. You just have to follow the same steps I have shown you in this video, and you will be able to do this thing in your PC right now. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe our channel for watching more videos like this.